carpet has always received international praise, and that's because it's considered as the highest level of art, an artistic creation that has constantly improved and has become richer and more beautiful throughout the years.
The Persian carpet is a valuable piece of history. It's widely known for the beauty of its patterns, its intricately woven colors, durability, and the years of labor that went into making each rug. The value of a Persian carpet is determined by various factors, such as authenticity, quality of materials, fineness of the knots, and beauty of colors and design. The variety of carpets and rugs in Iran is enormous. Some are considered highly precious and valuable, while others are machine-made and not so expensive. The handmade rugs and carpets of the nomads have always been treasured in Iran. Their distinguishing features, especially their amazing level of quality, has made them very special. Nomadic rugs are woven by nomads or semi-settled tribes of people. They represent the simplest and earliest form of weaving. Almost all nomadic weavers employ horizontal and portable looms, unlike village and urban weavers who work on vertical looms. Rugs are generally woven to a pre-planned pattern, but rural rugs are based on designs that generate from the imagination of the weaver. They have ancient motifs that have been passed down families through the generations.
The Kheshti design is one of the oldest and most important designs that the Bakhtiari people weave. In each square, an element from nature catches the eye. The cypress and the pine tree reflect resistance. The weeping willow portrays the modest spirit of the people. And the flowers and the birds, they all reflect life and birth.
یه تخته از این فرشا که تو هر خونه‌ای باشه صبح که بلند میشی نگاه میکنی مثل اینکه داره با صحبت میکنه، چون این فرش یه چندین سال یا ماه اون بافنده این فرشا بافته، غمهاش و شادیاشو با این تقسیم کرده. یه فرش کلاسیک یا هر فرشی وقتی میخری اوج زیباییش همون موقعیه که میخری، چون نوع قشنگ تمیزه. ولی فرش عشایری عکس این قضیه داره، هرچی بمونه قشنگتر میشه. الان مثلا فرش هایی هستن که 500 600 سال پیش الان نگه داشتن مونده تو موزه ها، میبینی رنگ قشنگتر از اون موقعیه که رنگ شده، اصلا رنگ از بین نرفته، نه نور آفتاب نه آب نه هیچ فرسایشی این رنگ نداشته.
Rural carpets have been made in nearly every possible variation and for a wide range of uses. Examples include the gabbe, gilim and jajim. Gabbe is a simple yet whimsical handmade rug traditionally woven by Qashqai weavers, people living near the Zagros mountains in southern Iran. Traditionally used as a sleeping rug, they have geometric patterns as their main design. A gilim is produced by tightly interweaving the warp and weft strands of the weave to produce a flat surface with no pile. Jajim is a two-sided flat weave comprising narrow warp-faced stripes sewn together. They are two-sided as they were originally woven for bed covers to protect from the extreme cold in the tribal tent.
Nature has always been the main source of inspiration for the nomads, and although each region in the country has its own certain motifs, all the carpets woven by the nomads have one thing in common, and that is the use of bold and daring colors which reflect the bold and courageous spirit of the people.
It's all about the beauty of blending colors and creating a harmonious composition. The nomads use natural dyes made from natural materials such as vegetables and plants to produce the most luminous and warm shades. The designs of rural carpets and the story behind each one of them is rooted in history. Some of them date back to 1,000 years ago. The Turkmen people who live in northeastern Iran weave wonders in their rugs.
این فرشی که ترکمنه که مشاهده می‌کنید یکی از طرح‌های اصیل ترکمنه که شاید سالیان سال، نزدیک به 1000 سال قدمت داره. تمام اینها یک داستانی داره، زندگی یک انسان رو بیان میکنه که از طبیعت خودشون الهام میگیرن. در این قسمت مثلا مشاهده میکنه که این تولد یک نوزاده که اطرافش روشناییه، به دنیا میاد اطرافش روشناییه. بعد میشه 4 فصل: بهار، تابستان، پاییز، زمستان. باز دوباره بهار، تابستان، پاییز، زمستان. اینا همه از طبیعتشون الهام میگرفتن. چون ترکمن‌ها نزدیک دریا زندگی میکنن، پرستو زیاده در فصل بهار. اینها جاپای پرستوست که به صورت ستایی هست، یعنی همیشه به تعداد 12 تاست، 12 ماه ساله. نماد قوچ، شاخ قوچ همیشه تو فرشامون، تو اکثر فرشامون هست. اینجا که می‌بینید این شاخ قوچه. بعد این نماد کلیش، این جاپای شتره که مثلا کف پای شتره که بهش میگه مارگول.
The hand-woven rugs and carpets of the nomads are the embodiment of timeless art, beauty and elegance. A world of artistic magnificence nurtured for thousands of years. Hodalazgi for Iran.